bad things about having neighbors who won't maintain their trees, beside the fact that they don't maintain their trees, is the effects of leaves, especially during the fall, and also the seeds from the trees. Oftentimes in the spring, I end up pulling up numerous little sprouts of maple, oak, and whatever we have around here. And just notice that here in my backyard, I have no trees whatsoever. None. All the trees that are hanging on this property, none of them are in this yard, you know? I mean, I've gotten some quotes for having these limbs cut down because technically they are on my property line, so I am legally entitled to cut them, but you know, I've been getting quotes, very high quotes, so that's probably going to have to wait until either later on this year or sometime next year. But I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, I have trees. You would think that I had 2 or 3 trees in the yard, but I don't. There are absolutely no trees on this property. So, I mean, it's fall, you know. People love to see the leaves changing colors, you know, and that's cool and all, but I mean, this is out of control, and this is just something that I have to deal with. And as you can see on the ground there, you know, leaves are starting to fall, and it gets way, way, way worse than this as we get further along. And the simple fact that, you know, I have neighbors who have these trees and won't maintain them, you know, it just seems to be a big problem here in the city of Memphis in general. You know, we love our trees, we love our forestry, but, you know, a bad storm season comes along and we have these problems each year, you know. People are dying because of trees overturning on property, falling on houses, whatnot. But I mean, it's just, I mean, look at this. This tree is feet into my yard. Feet. Look at this. This tree is huge. It's a maple tree. You know, you get the little helicopter seedlings that fall down, you know, and it's just, like I said, in the spring, I'm pulling up little sprouts because the trees, they're sprouting everywhere. So I don't know. It's just another problem, you know. Neighborly thing to do would be to cut your tree down, but even you know, with the cutting the limbs, I fear, you know, that neighbors would complain about that. You know, it's your tree, but I guess the leaves are mine when they fall on the ground, so I don't know. Just a little random rant.